Hi, this is Richard from SleepHaven. Just sort of going to give you a quick carpet cleaning tip on red wine. A friend of mine, he's called me up and says, Marshy, can you help me? He said, I've come back from the cricket do. He said, I've nodded off, and lo and behold, he's dropped his red wine down the side of the wall here and onto the carpet here. And as you can see it, we've got red wine on a lovely wool cream carpet here. So he said, can you sort me out and get me out of trouble? Of course I can, my old mate. So around here doing his carpets, doing the hall stairs and landing, but the main thing is to get rid of this red wine stain. And I thought this would be a good opportunity. It's coming up to Christmas, you're going to have these type of spillages, so I thought I'd give you a quick tip on how we can get rid of this. Now if you're seeing this video, you've either liked us or following us on Facebook, or you're a previous client of ours. So what we're going to do is going to give you like just a bit of a thank you for this year, for your custom, etc. What we're going to do, if you book with us before the 7th of December, we're giving away a free bottle of spotter here, our own professional spotter, and also we're giving £25 off if you're going to book before the 7th of December, because that way I get to spend some time with my family. Anyway, onto the stain, red wine. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a bit of my spotter here. Hopefully this will do the trick. So I'm just going to put a little bit on here. Now with the spotter that I use and I give to my customers, it's got a neutral pH level, which basically means that you can't do any harm with it. So, and it's pretty good if you use it on quite quickly on stains. This has been here for about a week or so, so it may be a bit tougher. If that's the case, then I'll go on to something that we only use, and I wouldn't give this to customers, which is a red wine stain remover. However, I'm hoping that my spotter here will do the business. So what I'm doing, and if Dan likes to zoom in, you can start to see this stain lifting now, and that's already, and this is just using our spotter. And as I say, you can get this from us if you book before the 7th of December. So it's our early bird discount. And if you look, as I'm going across this stain, and I'm lifting it already. Okay, you just zoom back out a bit then for me. I'm just going across this. And as you notice, I've not gone over the whole stain, because you never attack a stain all in one go. You just work from the outside, work your way in from the outside inwards. And I think here you can quite clearly see that I've removed this red wine on this section here. So, and what I will do, I'll turn the machine on shortly after, and then I'll flush that through, and that will extract all that. But I've not got it on at the moment because you won't be able to hear me talk. So that's your red wine tip. So hope you all have a good Christmas, and if you need us, don't forget we're getting a free bottle of spotter and £25 off. So anyway, thanks for following us and liking us on Facebook and being a previous client. Take care.